Fuck, you're old.
Bring it on one-eyed Willie.
Hello there. Welcome back. I'm glad you could join me today.
Take a picture with you real quick. My wife doesn't believe you exist.
Just got a box in today, and so I thought I would do a small box opening. Forgive the house. I've been working off and on. Well, hopefully you won't be able to see too much of the mess. I believe this is from Brock Performance. Flat iron knife. Best EDC you can get. Sprint filter. That is going to be a nice upgrade for airflow to the bike. And it's surprising what that little sucker will do for your performance. And there's instructions and stuff in there. I've been looking up all the everything to do to my bike from Brock Performance that they could do, and I ordered pretty much freaking everything. In there. My daughter just snuck down and was like, "Oh my god!" Oh, pair of block-off plates. Those are gonna be a little interesting to put in. I might have to do a little more research because these are the ones that are having my head scratched. Of course, some Brock Performance stickers. Everybody knows I'm a sticker man. And then this baby. Oh god. Oh god, my finger. Yes, I'm still having troubles with my broken hand. Oh, looks like we might have instructions. I hope we have instructions in there. Oh, yes. They gave us, don't be dumb, do the instructions. So, I'm really hoping that in there somewhere, it shows, oh, actually really nice instructions. This looks like it's all for nice colored pictures. A lot of wordy wordage. So I'll have to learn how to read. Oh, I'm so excited. You guys ever seen the Brock Performance videos where it has my bike going to oh shit 910%?
.260 horsepower on MRX-02, but to give you an idea with the pentacarbon and pump gas, our previous best was 255.
That's pretty much what I'm doing to my bike. So when it's all said and done, oh, my ECU, important for the ECU instructions. Nice instructions. A couple websites to go into if I need help. That was a pain in the cockage to get out, by the way. Like, I watched a couple videos. They said, easiest way is to do it this way. Yeah, not so much. I got the heat shield for my bags, so if I put my bags back on, I won't melt them. Oh, nice little porty for my porties. And that looks like that is going to be the new holder mount. Not holder. But yeah, so my bike will now, instead of having 3 settings for the computer, as in low, medium, and high, or other ones have like race mode, and then like a low mode and then rain mode. That's the low, medium, high. So high is or full mode, 100% of your bike, and then medium mode was 75% of your bike, and low mode was 50% of your bike. I hope I just didn't mess that up. Way it's going to be programmed now is, number one, everything's changed on it. So full mode is for regular 93 or whatever gas, and that should get me about 250 horsepower. Medium mode is now for M2 racing fuel, which should give me 260 horsepower, and then low mode is normal low mode.
So right now I'm in full power mode, and that means that if I have 93 octane pump gas, I can go out and this bike will make as much horsepower as it knows how to make in that mode. Well, what if you want to go racing? This is a higher compression supercharged bike, so we didn't want to use MR12. So basically what we did, if you switch the bike to the M mode now, and this is how we have it set up right now. M mode, instead of meaning medium power, now means MRXO2 power.
It's gonna have to be remembering. Oh, there's a splitter for the pipers. Look at that. So I got stainless steel instead of, I got a little bend in it. I'll have to fix that. Looks like it just ran into the side of the box. Got a little dent. I can fix that. But I didn't do the titanium. I did the stainless steel, the lightweight stainless steel. Only because I was already spending enough on all this stuff. If you guys ever looked up their thing, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, they even gave me the actual sealer. Ultra copper gasket maker. Nice. And then my other two. God, they're so fucking pretty. That's gonna look so nice. Especially when they start coloring and they get the straw color. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. And then the piece de resistance. There's a lot of paper. They actually packed this really good. I'm surprised I bended that pipe, because I mean there's a box inside of a box, and they put a lot of packing in that. That dent I am not going to call on them. I think that was more of the shipping, throwing the box around. Yeah, there's a dent in the bottom. There's a dent in the side. There's a dent in that corner that actually got hit. So, anyways, oh god, I'll keep that up there so you don't see the new muffler. Yes, I even got the muffler from Brock Performance, because their mapping and programming is for their full system, and so I'm not messing with that. I want as much horsepower as I can get, and you do have to, anybody out there that has one of these and wants to do this, just to let you know, you do have to sign a waiver saying this is going to be for a racetrack only thing. Which, that's what I'm going to do, I'm sure. They had multiple colors you could get on the tip of this. And I don't know if you guys can see that. It's dark red. Oh my goodness. Carbon fiber. That thing is beautiful. Oh, you look how. And oh yeah. That's gonna match the bike a little more than the green or the black or anything else. Oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Bigger than that. Oh, that's gonna be a lot better than that big ass can I have on. So anyways, there you go. The baby has arrived. The baby has arrived. So now I gotta figure out when I'm gonna go do this. I'm gonna do some research on those block off plug kits and look through the instructions real quick to make sure I know exactly what I'm doing before I go out and start wrenching on the bike. And then I got to put you back in there. And then I got to start assembling because I want to know if it's easier to get those plugs on before I do everything else. And then I have my new windshield ready to go over in the corner, which I'll show you guys real quick. Maybe, no, yes, no, yes. Stay on that side. Don't fall. Okay, and then my windshield has a lot of stickers on it. It's really dirty. It really got scratched up and got weathered and everything else. So I got a new windshield. Oh, that's gonna be so nice. That's gonna be pretty. I already got took off the one off my old shield, and my God, this is a pain in the cackage to get on. Every one of these grommets have a flare on both sides, and it was very well stuck on that from all the heat and stuff I go through and weather. And holy crap, it was almost like don't break anything. Yeah, that's already has the backing plate put on it, the grommets in it, so all I have to do is set that in and screw it on. But again, I'm going to wait to make sure I can get the ECU back in because I think I need more room. And yeah, guys, if you do that, just take off your side panel. Very easy. I didn't have enough room. Mine's a 2018. I know it was a year or two earlier. The guy didn't have to. He could get his hand back there, but I couldn't. My clips would not unclip, and so I had to have two hands on it. So doing that in ECU, just take off the side panel. It'll be easier. Anyways, hopefully the next time you guys see something from me, I will have a lot of this stuff on the bike, or maybe all of it. Yeah, probably a little bit of it. Anyways, catch you guys later. Have a good one. Take care of each other and be nice. Catch you later.
It's over. Go home.